Why is it, do you think, that some actors become very successful and others don't? I'm Ken Rea, and that question, what is it that drives your success, has kept me going and intrigued me ever since I started out as a young actor and director myself. And has kept me going throughout the 40 years that I've been teaching thousands of actors, both at the Guildhall School of Music and Drama and around the world.
Sex, I thought everyone does.
Around here.
What they do where I go.
Many of my students became very successful. Ewan McGregor, Lily James, Orlando Bloom, Hayley Atwell, Damian Lewis, Daniel Craig, that's just a few of them. The point is, what were they doing that other actors were not? That's what we'll be looking at in this course. That brings a whole new dimension. What's different about the system I've developed over the years is its focus. Rather than concentrating on your core skills, voice, movement, acting process, we're going to look at the question, how do you step up to the next level? We'll look at yourself as part of the ensemble. We'll look at using improvisation as a way of heightening your imagination. We'll look at approaches to your physicality of the character.
I haven't cheated on you for 5 years.
Congratulations.
We'll look at ways of strengthening your presence and heightening your charisma. All the energy is coming up through the lower abdomen.
Why? What an ass am I?
I'll show you some approaches to working on the text to bring that to life, and for younger actors, how to audition for drama school. And I'll also show you some very powerful techniques that will help make you more successful. What do you discover?
I think it just completely changes it.
You can use these exercises for stage, film, and television. How do I know it works? I've proved it with thousands of actors around the world, and many of them have become hugely successful. Now it's your turn. So let's get started.